Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to get PBE account in your League of Legends. So I will be providing you both of these links in the description below, so do check it out. So first, a link is to sign up for PBE. You just need to click on this button, sign up for PBE. Then it will load you this page where you have to create your PBE account. Just type in your email here and create a PBE account. So then the next link is to download your PBE. So click the button according to your device and it will download your PBE for you. So after it's downloaded, just open it and set up your PB and just sign in with your PB account you just created. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and I'll meet you guys in the next video.